So I wanted to show you, I got something new for ktten and little ktten. This is ktten. And ktten is here. Ktten, how am I supposed to have a cat channel if my cats are hiding? Huh? Ktten? Huh? No comment. He says no comment. But anyways, I haven't opened it. I just cut the seal. I got this claw nail clipper. Yeah. So let's see. So apparently there is a light on it. Let me unpack it. So ktten just flopped out of here. So apparently there is, you can cut them here, and there is a light on it that shows how far you can clip. Ktten! So it shows, the light shows the red line in their nail, so you don't cut too far. I want to try it out with them because they're really scratching everything. So you can charge it. It's mainly for the light, and I don't know what that is. Probably promo. Ktten! Come here. Not now, huh? We'll do that this weekend. But I just wanted to show you. Oh, here's on off. Oh, there we go. It's charged a little bit. Yeah, unfortunately, you know, I only have one hand and the other one is with the camera all the time. Otherwise I would have shown you, but I'll let you know how it goes. Say bye, Ktten. I was almost about to finish the video when I put the stuff into the drawer. First of all, I wanted to show you also, not only does it have a light, but also a little box that collects the nails so they don't fly around the apartment. But then I opened the gift and look at this. This is so cute. I mean, it's more for a dog, I guess, but you guys, Ktten, come here. I'm gonna put this on Kurt now. All right, be right back. Ktten! Hey, Grandma Ktten. Grandma Ktten has a new handkerchief. Wow. Good looking Ktten. Ktten, you want to try it on as well? No, you're running away. Look at you, Ktten, so handsome. Wow. It's even better than a bow tie, huh? Wow, look at you. Grandma Ktten. Grandma Ktten. Say, no, not a grandma. Don't ruin it right away. Oh, my sweet Ktten. So handsome. So handsome. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, get up. Get up. Yes. Wow. Wow, Ktten. Wow. That's a Superman cape, huh? Ktten? Huh? Oh, look at that belly. Look at that belly. It's growing every day, huh? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, my sweet boys. My sweet boys. I love you. I love you. Time for a sunbathing session, huh? Oh, I called you. Say bye.